Good morning. I had business today in Tampa, so I swung by Ybor City. One thing I love about Ybor is the live roosters that are running around. Okay, so since I'm out of the office today, I gotta work virtual, which leaves me with coffee shops and the law library. If I go down to the law library, that means I have to find a way to park. I either have to pay for parking or I have to walk super far. Definitely lose the jacket if I do that. But if I go to a coffee shop, I'll have to pay for that too, and I've already had 2 cups of coffee today. Another option is there's an IKEA nearby, and I always love to stroll through there, but realistically I wouldn't get much work done. So there you have it. That's what I'm facing today. But I wanted to just stop by and get some footage of downtown Ybor because it's a pretty sweet place.